What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Alright, guys, today is January 10th, 2022. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Because around here, what we do, we get this crypto money. We make these gains. We don't care if the market's moving sideways. We don't care if the price has been dipping. We have long-term vision, and we know long-term we are going to get our Lambo. We're going to make these gains, all right? Now, with that being said, I know that a lot of people starting off in crypto, you don't have a lot of money to invest. And even the ones that do have a lot of money to invest, you want to make those big bucks. You want to get those massive gains. I know. You don't have to lie about it. You don't have to be ashamed about it. I know. You don't want to get a 10x on your investment. You want to get 1,000x, 2,000x, 3,000x. And yes, that is possible. Guys, what happened in 2021 was, unfortunately, we didn't have a altcoin rally, that true altcoin rally. We saw some projects do tremendously well. Like, example, Shiba Inu, it did tremendously well. It gave massive returns. Probably, I think it was like around 3,000% that it went up. Guys, what you saw Shiba Inu do, that was very common back in 2017 for practically a lot of altcoins. That was extremely common. Things would give 100% returns in a day. Yes, that was happening throughout the alt season. In 2017, yes, that is how crypto attracted so many investors, not just in 2017 but also the 2013-2014 bull run. Same thing happened. Unfortunately, we haven't experienced that alt run rally yet, but it will come. Who knows when, but it will come. That's why you have to be patient, make sure to invest, and have a long-term outlook. Now, the reason why I brought that up is when you don't have a lot of money to invest in crypto, or you're just looking to make those massive big gains, the number one thing you have to pay attention to, now outside of making sure that you get into legit projects, is to make sure that you get into projects with low market cap. Projects with low market cap have room to grow, all right? So today, the project that we will talk about is a low market cap gem. Not financial advice, only invest what you're willing to lose. I know how you guys do it, all right? Don't go around putting in your rent money, your car note money. I know child support is due soon. Don't go around putting your child support money. You don't want to get in trouble. You don't want to get locked up, all right? Make sure to only invest money that you're willing to lose. Make sure to do your due diligence, do your research, which I'm helping you guys with. But one of the greatest ways to make money, make big returns in crypto, is looking for those low cap gems, those up and coming projects, getting in at the stages when people were kind of sketchy about it. You're not 100% sure yet. Make sure to do your research. Make sure that you're getting invested in a legit project and getting in at that early stage before it gets listed on major exchanges. That is how you make the big returns. So with that being said, the project that we're going to talk about is a project that has been trending on Coinmarketcap. The project is called Griffin Art. Griffin Art has entered the market with the launch of an NFT marketplace on September 14, 2021. This marketplace will provide users with the opportunity to generate NFTs and collect governance tokens for community improvements by harnessing the potential of the Binance Smart Chain. The team behind Griffin Art showcases their ability to further provide accessibility, NFT sharing, creation, and ownership. Their team is creating the digital collectibles platform that will integrate with a mobile game developed by the Griffin Art project to achieve this mission. This integration will allow users to sell non-fungible tokens that can be used in the game. The first game release is called Griffin Land. Based on themes from mythology and including fantastical creatures. It consists of more than 10 different creatures, including multiple warriors, which the users can combat. Apart from this, the game will also be 3D and offer P2E mechanism to get the most out of their time. The overall graphics of the game are on par with any modern day gaming title. Now, they also have a YouTube trailer, which I will play for you guys. And another part about the article, it says Griffin Land will be closely integrated with the GART token and NFT marketplace, allowing players to play, trade, use NFT items, and earn tokens inside the games. The GART token operates with several deflationary characteristics built with the intent to reward long-term holders. Uses of this token also include access to products created by the Griffin Art project. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire article because I don't want to make this video too long. But so far what we see about this project, just because it's called Griffin Art, the first thought that comes into your mind is that it's just an art project or something like that. Yes, it is art in the sense of NFTs, but it's not just NFTs, it's also focused on gaming. That is a knockout combo. We saw the performance of NFT projects and gaming projects throughout 2021. So we know 2022 and for years to come, these type of projects have a bright future ahead of them. And like I mentioned, guys, we did not have that massive altcoin rally yet. We did not have it yet. So right now, you got to accumulate projects, especially if you're interested in NFTs and gaming projects. You accumulate them at a cheap price every paycheck. Buy a little, and have diamond hands. Be patient. Whenever the momentum comes back into this market, you will make a big return. Not financial advice, all right? Now, this is the demo trailer. So let me play it. All right, I like what I see. Now, this is their YouTube page. I will put a link to it and put a link to everything in this video. You guys can check it out for yourself. Now, when you come to Coinmarketcap, Griffin Art is currently ranked at number 2,962. Its current price is at 0.0001696. It's been up 3.75% in the past 24 hours. Volume is currently at 4 million, and the circulating supply is self-reported, but this is the circulating supply right here. As you can see, it is at 48 billion. And look at the market cap. Like I say, low cap gems, that is what you want to focus on if you're trying to make those massive big returns. You want to look into projects that have low market caps because they have room to grow a lot. This one only has 8.1 million in market cap, and also it's audit certified. Like I mentioned, it's part of the NFTs gaming. Now, when you look at the all-time high was actually back on November 14, 2021 at 0.0003602, and it's been down 52.93% since then. Now, all-time high was back around here. Do you recall what happened? A lot of altcoins started going down around November, December. Things were disappointing. We didn't have that Santa rally. Santa disappointed everyone. So guys, yes, things may not have gone as planned, but see this as a second chance to get more shares of your favorite projects, and also to accumulate projects that have great potential behind them, like this project right here. Now, we know that because of the price of Bitcoin and the price of altcoins falling in November, December, and all the FUD and all of the manipulation that was going on caused price to dip. And that is part of the reasons why Griffin Art went down. And also, another reason why is because, guys, look at what price was at. This project is fairly new. It was publicly available back in September 11th, 2021. Look at what the price was at, 0.00003682. And now it reached around 0.003554 on November 15, 2021, in roughly like 2 months. People sold for profit. I don't know if they had a pre-sale, but especially if they had a pre-sale, that means people got in at a cheaper price than this price that you see on September 10th, 2021. You got in at an even cheaper price than that. So of course people are going to sell for profit, and they're going to buy back and try to accumulate more shares. That's how it happens in crypto. You'll see that is very common for a lot of crypto coins. So guys, we know that FUD is the reason why prices went down. And based on previous history, it's not that far away. It was only 2 months ago. It's not that long ago. So based on previous history, we see that this project has performed fairly well, and it did drop a zero. And with this market cap, it has the room and the potential, and also being a part of NFT and gaming, to drop more zeros. Now, this is the current exchanges that it's on. So it's on LBank, and it's on ZT, PancakeSwap. So the good thing, PancakeSwap, it's a BSC project. So that means that the gas fees are way cheaper than trying to buy through Ethereum. For those who are not aware, when projects are on Ethereum and you're trying to convert your Ethereum to a project, those gas fees, you could be trying to spend only $50. A gas fee would be at $400. That is how bad it is and how expensive it is. So BSC projects, Binance Smart Chain, they are very cheap. And also LBank is an exchange that you can buy on, and ZT is an exchange that you can buy on. Now, right here is their BSC scan. So as you can see, there are currently 16,786 addresses. Majority of them are going to be hodlers, wallets that currently have this project. A few of them are going to be exchanges, but that is what majority of them are going to be. Now, when you look at the socials, always look at the socials whenever it's a new project, whenever it's an up and coming project like this, because guys, you want to make sure that you're getting involved in a project that has an active team. It's not a dead project. So make sure to check out the Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, Google the project, Google the founders, find out as much information as you can about the project. So right here is their Twitter page. So you can see tweets from 15 hours ago, January 8th, January 8th, January 7th, January 6th, January 6th. So this was their audit certified, their certic audit complete. So guys, the team is very active on Twitter. They are giving updates. So that is another great sign. Now, this is their website. So when you come to the website, as soon as you come in, it's simple, easy on the eyes, very easy to understand. It's GameFi and NFT meet with Griffin Art. Perfect NFT marketplace that builds a bridge between mythology and future, powered by a strong deflationary token. Deflationary token. Did you read that part? For you guys that don't know what a deflationary token is, when you Google the definition, this is what you're going to see. Deflationary crypto assets or cryptocurrency coins and tokens that decrease in total supply each time a token transfer happens, a certain portion of the transfer amount will be burned with every transfer. So as each transaction happens, the supply goes down. And as demand goes up, there's not as much supply for the demand. The value of the tokens go up in price. So that is why deflationary tokens, they always do tremendously well, because transactions are going to continue to happen. And going back to Griffin, you can see that volume is at 4 million. So that means that there's a lot of interest in this project. There's a lot of trading going on. So as those trades are going on, transactions are going on, the supply is going down, demand is going to go up, and the value overall is going to go up over time. Now, continuing through the website, so you can see this is, you could buy through PancakeSwap, their live chart, Whitepaper, and their tech rate audit. So this is their NFT marketplace right here. Upcoming projects. So they have the Griffin shop that's upcoming. They have the Griffin mobile game. I will take you to the link to it. This is their tokenomics. So as you can see, 9% goes to exchange liquidity, 33% was for pre-sale. So that explains why price dropped. So there's people that got in at the pre-sale before it was even publicly available. So these people made some big gains. After being publicly available, it dropped to zero. So only, I don't know what price it was at prior to that, but you can only imagine how much gains they made. Now, this is their roadmap. So some of the things that they've accomplished right now, they are on phase 3. They're developing the NFT merchandise shop and getting ready to launch the actual shop. So this is the team, and they have links to their LinkedIn pages. I will show it to you guys later. Their sub team and just more details on their website. Now, this is that game that they were talking about, the Griffin Land. It's not yet available on the App Store. It's not yet available on the Play Store. But I showed you guys the demo earlier, and this is the page that is going to take you when you click on it. So this is the pictures of it. All right. So yes, they don't have 100% working product yet. Keyword yet. But that is how you make the money in crypto. You get in, you give the developers time to build the project, to grow the project. That is how you get the gains. Now, people who are waiting to get into projects once things are fully developed, by that time, price is going to most likely be way higher than it currently is. So that's why it's important, guys, to make sure to do your research, but also only invest what you're willing to lose. It's the risky stages, but that is how you make the big gains. High risk, high reward. Without no risk, there's no reward. Now, I'll put a link to this. You guys can check out the game site. Now, this is their white paper. I'm not going to go through it because it will make this video way too long, but I'll just skim through some of it. So, overview. White papers are so long, that's why I didn't want to go through the entire thing. But there's one part I want to show you guys. Just skim through it. And I'll put a link to it. You guys can check it out for yourself. So, like I showed you, this was the overall roadmap that they have. So right now they're on phase 3. Upcoming phase 4 is just more game development and more listings that they're going to be on. So by the time they get listed on more exchanges, it's going to increase volume even higher and prices are going to go up even more. Now, this is the tokenomics. So you can see that they have liquidity locked. That is always important whenever getting involved in the projects, because liquidity locked means that the developers are not going to be able to just run off with your money. That is very important. Of course, there's no guarantees in crypto, but guys, rug pulls, man. I'm not even going to say it, but you developers out there that are rug pulling people, stealing money from hardworking individuals, man, all we're going to say is that karma is going to get you, all right? Karma is going to get you. That's all we're going to say. Now, this is the tokenomics even more. So I'll put a link to this. You guys can check out the white paper. Right here is their tech rate audit report. They also have a Certic audit. You could see it right here on Coinmarketcap. And you just click on it. I'll just show it to you guys real quick. So this was the Certic. The total findings, all of them were resolved. Now this is the other tech rate audit. This was actually back on July 2021. Skimming through it. So they basically passed everything. So that is another great sign. It's very common you'll see projects, especially ones like this that are new and up and coming, it'll say out of gas. It's a very common issue. So this was actually back on July 2021. Now, like I mentioned, the team has links to their LinkedIn pages. So right here, this is the LinkedIn page for him right here, Yanis. Sorry if I mispronounced his name. He is the CEO and the founder. Looks like he's located in Turkey. So this is his LinkedIn page. Another member of the team is her. I don't want to mispronounce her name. I don't really know how to correctly pronounce it. But she's also located in Turkey. She's a co-founder and marketing manager. So this is her. And right here on LinkedIn, this is some of the team members that have LinkedIn profiles and have them listed as their employers. So this is some of the team members right here. So you have content manager, software engineer, community manager. So I'll put a link to it. You guys can check out their page. Now, let's look at the charts. Yes, price took a little dip. It's got rejected twice at this level of resistance, that 0.002. But it looks like it's trying to climb back up and trying to reach us this level of resistance and trying to reach us this level of resistance again. But overall, when you look at the overall trend, look. Overall, yes, there's been dips, and part of it is because of Bitcoin, all the FUD manipulation that's been going in the market and all of that. But overall, when you look at the trend, you see that this project has been practically in an upward trend since the end of September. The overall outlook, just by looking at that yellow line. So the purple lines are level of support and resistance. So since the project got rejected twice at this level of resistance, once it retests it, and it looks like it's gearing up to try to retest it again, most likely it's going to break through it. It's like trying to run through a wall. The more you try to run through it, the wall gets weaker, and finally you're going to just bust right through it. So yes, momentum is holding a lot of projects back, but this one, from what we see from the chart, the technical analysis, it looks like it's gearing up for a low rally. Hopefully no manipulation happens in crypto in terms of Bitcoin. None of that FUD comes out, because guys, the market's been getting beaten up too much. All right, just leave the market alone. All right, let projects do what they gotta do. You bears, shame on you. All right, you guys have beaten the bulls up too much. So looking at the total market cap, the total market cap is currently at 12.4 million based on DEX shows. So 12.4 million. That means that this project has so much more room to grow. Now, let's say that it were to reach a market cap of 100 million. 100 divided by 12.4, that is 8x. 8x of $100 investment, that's 806. Let's say things go tremendously well. I will see in their roadmap for phase 4, they have more exchange listings coming up. They've been trending on Coinmarketcap. Let's say that they reach a market cap of 500 million. 500 million divided by 12.4. That is 40x. 40x $100 investment. That will be around 4,032. Not exact, but just a rough estimate. And let's say things go tremendously well in 2022. Even if not in 2022, as more money flows into crypto, the market caps right now, say $1 billion market cap, in the next few years, as more money flows into crypto, is going to be considered way smaller than it currently is. So let's say that the project reaches $1 billion market cap, divided by 12.4. That is 80x. 80x of $100 investment is $8,000. Now, is it going to hit $1 billion market cap? Maybe not. Maybe it will. We don't know what the future has in store. But from what we've seen from this project so far, it's been audit certified by both TechRate and also from Certic. It's a part of the NFT and the gaming space. We know that NFTs and gaming space is a growing industry. They are going to be doing tremendously well in 2022. They've done tremendously well in 2021. A lot of companies are running to NFTs because of how big that market is and how lucrative it is and how it's been growing so fast. They don't want to miss out. So projects that have NFT marketplaces have done tremendously well. And the team is working on getting more exchange listings. They share their LinkedIn pages. There's no guarantees in crypto. Not financial advice. Only invest what you're willing to lose. But this project, it looks like it has all the right ingredients to hit not just $1 billion market cap, but to even surpass it. It definitely is possible. So, especially if Bitcoin, I'm not going to say if, especially when Bitcoin hits 6 figures in 2022. All right, we will see 6 figures in 2022. All right, not just because I'm bullish on crypto. We will see 6 figures in 2022. When it does that, all coins are going to follow. They're going to rally. And this project and a lot of other projects are going to follow too. So $1 billion market cap and even surpassing $1 billion market cap, as long as the team continues to develop this project, is very realistic in its future. So guys, only invest what you're willing to lose. But this is one of those projects I recommend that you guys look into. And with that being said, I am out.